If you only have a few minutes and you want to return to a calm but energized state, this is for you. Follow along with me in this short version of one of the world's most popular medical Qigong practices, Baduanjin, also known as the 8 Brocades. Traditionally, each of the 8 movements is practiced 6 times each, which takes about 15 minutes, but this short version cuts that nearly in half by reducing the number of repetitions. So the forward-facing movements, they're done 3 times each, and the ones that alternate left and right are performed 1 time per side only. And you'll feel the rhythm as we go. You'll still get all the physical, mental, emotional, and energetic benefits of this 2,000-year-old practice, even on days when your time is limited. So if you're ready, let's begin. Standing with your feet together, hands to your side, clear your mind and step out the left foot shoulder width, and let your hands come off the body to gather and hold energy around you in front of your belly. Take 6 to 9 deep, long breaths in and out of your nose with the tongue to the roof of your mouth, regulating, extending your breath, adjusting and aligning your posture to release any tension. Make the adjustments while finding mental stillness. Let your hands round down towards the bottom of the ball and then clasp them and bring it up through your solar plexus, turning it out, looking up, and then look straight and stretch a little further, open to the sides and sink down. Stand up as you raise your hands and look up. Look straight and stretch deeper, opening to the sides, gathering energy from the earth, bringing it through your torso and connecting all the way to the heavens, and releasing. You're going to step your left foot out wider, left hand underneath, raise your hands to the collarbone, extend your left index finger and thumb, pull back your right hand and sink. Then open your right hand, step the left foot all the way in, scoop the right hand underneath to collarbone, step out, draw back the bow, looking at your index fingernail. Spiral out the left hand, step the right foot to shoulder width, scoop up and raise the left hand and press down the right hand. Rotate your left hand to face down and release it straight down. Sink, palms up, stand, raise the right hand, press down the left hand. Rotate the right palm to face down, let it float down, sink down, and then stand as you rotate both arms to face behind you, looking left, keeping the torso facing forward. And then look to the front, return the arms, sink down, stand and look right, scanning the entire room and opening your torso. Return the palms to face down, sink down, palms then face up, and step your right foot out wide as you bring the palms through the center to face up and out to rest on your thighs. Then turn your body to the right, parallel to the ground, looking at your right foot, shifting into the left leg. Swing around the back to the middle, looking up, then straight, then squat, down and up. Turn to the left side, bend down, parallel, shift to the right leg. Bring it around to the middle, look straight, squat down and up, and return the right foot back to shoulder width. Gather energy from the side and above, and wash it through your body. When you get to the bottom, face your fingertips forward, extend them forward and then up, palms facing forward and then each other, and then bend your elbows towards the chest center. When they get there, turn the palms up, touch your body, all the way to the back and start massaging down the back of the legs, around the outer ankle, and straight forward up to shoulder height, and then raise up. Palms up, start touching your body and massage on each side of your spine, over the buttocks, hamstrings, back of the knees, calves, outer ankle, over the toes, up to shoulder height, and then raise. One more time. As you massage, keep your legs straight and your back straight, with a slight tilt of your neck looking at the ground in front of you. Up to shoulder height and then raise. As your hands come down, start tucking your thumbs inside of a fist and holster them at your lowest rib. Step out the left foot, squeeze your thumb and thrust your left fist while glaring at the fist, opening your eyes. Then open, backhand in, wrap around, tuck the thumb, straighten the fist, bring it to your side, and then relax your grip in your eyes. So grip, punch, and glare. Open, turn the backhand in, and wrap around, tuck the thumb, straighten, glaring, squeezing, and then relaxing everything. Step the left foot all the way to the right foot and hands return to the side. As you slowly raise onto the balls of your feet and hold, then release into the heel, shaking the back just a little bit. Find a string pulling your head up, holding, and then bouncing into the heels, shaking the back, settling the chi down into your lower abdomen. Relax and breathe naturally. Notice how you feel in this moment. And then return your hands to hold that ball, gathering chi, returning it to your lower abdomen, one hand over the other, touching. And most importantly, place your mind in this area, deep within the body. Feeling the presence of the energy that you've cultivated. Returning your hands to the side completes this moving meditation. Respect. All right, so I really want you to just take a moment before you move on to something else and actually notice how you feel. Physically, do you feel like you worked out? Like there was some exercise, albeit low impact? Mentally, do you feel calm, clear, focused? Do you feel locked in? Emotionally, don't you feel balanced and harmonious inside? Check in. And then energetically, can you feel that there's this added spark of vitality without feeling too wired? One of my students once said that it felt like having a cup of coffee without the jitters, and I often hear it described as just feeling calm but awake. You can return to this video anytime that you have 10 minutes, and I'd recommend always doing a warm-up first and then going right into this routine. And that is a great day of practicing Qigong, so I'll link the warm-up below. And when you do this multiple days per week, over and over, even just the same thing, the warm-up and this short routine, you start really improving your health on multiple levels. This is what we do in my Tai Chi transformation program. It's a 4-month immersion into learning this form and all of its subtle details in order to have it memorized and no longer need the videos or the weekly classes. The goal is for you to be able to go out in nature on your own and just connect with yourself. And the understanding goes much deeper as you improve your health and your skill level. If you want to learn more about that, you can find all the details in the description below. And I just want to thank you for playing with me today. Excellent. Good job. Good on you. Now go out there and bring this wonderfully balanced energy into all that you do. Enjoy.